Buying an estate land can be the biggest mistake you can make as an investor, and it can also be the best thing you can do as an investor, especially right here in the city of Enugu. Now, a lot of estate lands are out there, and most of them are either in court or they have one issues or the other, and some are actually free and genuine. But how do you spot these ones that are free and genuine so that you can buy them and have peace of mind? Because at the end of the day, you want peace of mind after securing your property. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you three important steps you need to take before buying into any estate land to ensure that you don't lose your hard-earned money at the end of the day. My name is Jacinta Okwa, and I'm the business manager right here in Browdy Global, and we are bringing this video to your doorstep. So the first thing you need to do when you want to buy any estate land is going for inspection. This you can do physically or virtually. Now, if you are not around, if you're not in Nigeria, if you're not in Enugu or in the particular location where you want to buy this estate land from, you can ask for virtual inspection. Virtual inspection is where you get to see this land virtually. So you can ask the person projecting to sell this property to you to make a detailed video to the property, show what the neighborhood looks like, and show what the property looks like, because you want to be sure that the estate land actually exists. A lot of people has paid for properties that did not exist, and most of them they come in form of estate land. So another way you can conduct inspection is by going there yourself. This Christmas period, a lot of people are coming back, and I know you may be part of those people coming back home, especially right here in Enugu, to buy into estate land. So at this time, what you need to do is to go see the land yourself to ensure that this land actually exists, and also to see what the property looks like and that it fits into what you want to use it for. So with this, you can proceed to the next step, which is asking for the land documents that are backing up this particular estate land. Now, I've seen a lot of cases where a particular estate, when you ask for the documents of the land, they come up with a lot of stories. And when you see that, you know that that is a red flag. So if an estate land is actually genuine, they should be able to provide you with documents for verification. With the documents, you can also verify at the land registry that it is free from government interest, so that at the end of the day, you know that you are not going into a problem property or into a property that has a lot of issues. So ask for the document that is backing up this property. Is it a C of O? Is it a deed of assignment? Is it a power of attorney or a survey plan? Whatever land document that the land has, you need to verify it yourself. You can cite it, or you can ask your property lawyer to guide you. So with that, you know that you are doing or you're buying into the right estate land. And then finally, conduct due diligence on the company that is in charge of this estate land. Ask questions. You can do that by asking questions about the that estate company. How many people have actually bought from them? Are they known for land allocation, or are they known for land grabbing? Are they known for duping people? You need to ask questions so that you are not going into a wrong hand. So ensure that you verify the estate company that is in charge of this estate. You can Google them online. You can also make inquiries, ask questions, ask people around, and then you get to see who they are truly, so that at the end of the day, you know that you are either working with them or you are not. So if you follow these three simple steps, you will definitely be buying into a right property at the end of the day. So if you want to buy any estate land right here in the city of Enugu, ensure you follow these steps. And if you have any questions concerning buying of land right here in the city of Enugu, you can reach out to us on the number showing on the screen, and we'll guide you. So if you found this video helpful, let us know in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you get to see more educational videos like this. So until we come to your face again, bye for now.